Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail ID. Gmail is a free email service from Google, and it's one of the most popular email services in the world. It's easy to use, and it has a lot of great features, like spam filtering, labels, and attachments. Gmail is a free email service provided by Google. As of 2019, it had 1.5 billion active users worldwide, making it the largest email service in the world. A user typically accesses Gmail in a web browser or through the official mobile application. To create a Gmail ID, follow these steps. Go to the Google account sign-up page. Go to the Google account sign-up page. Click on the Create Account button. Click on the Create Account button. Enter your first name and last name. Enter your first name and last name. Next. Choose your date of birth, and choose your gender. Click on the Next button. Choose your Gmail address. Pick a Gmail address, or create your own. Click on the Next button. Create a strong password. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Click on the Next button. Enter your phone number and recovery email address. These are optional, but it's a good idea to add them so that you can recover your account if you lose your password. Click on the Next button. Read the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and click on the I agree button. That's it. You've now created a Gmail ID. You can now sign into Gmail and start using it. Your email ID is ready. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos.